अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। अहलन व सहलन व मरहबन बिकुम इलल हिस्सति साबिया. Okay, we finished हिस्सति सादिसा. Then now we are going to take the part 7. This is our part 7, 7th period. This is our 7th period. Our lesson name is Fil Hadika. This is our first unit. We didn't move from this lesson still now. Fil Hadika. So many things we learned in this chapter. Fil Hadika. In the garden. We like garden too much. That's why we are not moving from our garden. We have to pluck all the flowers. Then only we will go to the next chapter. Isn't it? Am I correct? Yes. Today, in the last class we explained about the sun letters and moon letters. Today we are going to explain about Tanween. Okay. In Arabic language, we have to read with Tanween also. Okay. We learned the symbols in the starting itself. Okay. In the starting itself, we learned about the symbols. How many symbols are there in Arabic language? Do you remember that? Yeah. Tell me. Do you remember that? Yes. Fathah, Kesra, Lomma and Sukoon. Okay, we can write like this. This is called Fathah. This is called Kesr. Okay. This is called Lum. This is called Sukoon. Lum, Sukoon. Okay, then we will get the sound with this letter with this symbol A, and we will get the sound of this E. We will get the sound of U. We will get the sound of A, E, U, E. Now, I will put one more. I will make it double. Then how to read it? We can check. And here, double. Here also, double. Okay? This much only. Okay? This we will not use for Tanween. We will not pronounce that one. This much only. Okay? This we can cross in Tanween. Okay? Tanween means double Fatha or double Kesra or double Lomma. Double Sukoon will be not there in Tanween. Okay? Now, I will put this one above the letter Alif. Then we can read it An. All of you read it An. The same thing if I am putting here, it will be In. If we are writing this one Alif and putting double Lamma, we will get the sound of Un. Then this will be same for all letters. But double Fatha will be changed for some letters. Can you see? Do you know that? If we are putting Lamma, this Fatha, double Fatha for some letters, we have to put Alif also. Okay, how to write? I will show you. This is Ba. Then I am putting double Fatha. Then I have to add one Alif also. Ban. The same letter I can write like this. Bin. Then same letter I will write with lemma sign, which will be bun. Did you understand? For some letters, for most or majority, we can see like this. Okay, most of the letters are like this with double fatha, with double fatha. Okay, I will show you the next letter also like that. Which letter it is? Ta. Then I have to put double fatha for it. Then it will be 10. We cannot write like this. We have to add one alif also here. Then 10. Okay. The same letter I am writing here. Then we can put double kesra. Tin. The same letter I am writing here also. Then we can write tun. Ba, ta. Then sa also like that. But if you look at the board now, says sa. If I am putting double fatha, we will get the sound of sen. But I have to add one alif also there. Then it will be sen. Okay, sen. The next one, look at here. Sa, sin. Okay. The next one also will be like this. Sun. Did you understand? An, ben, ten, sen. In, bin, tin, sin. Un, bun, tun, sun. What you have to do today? You have to learn these symbols. These symbols. This is double fatha. This is double kasr. This is double lam. Sukoon will be not there in tanween. Okay. We have to put all these symbols above all the Arabic alphabets. Then we will get the sound of that letter. Un, bun, tun, sun, or an, ben, ten, sen, in, bin, tin, sin, un, bun, tun, sun. Like that we will get. You have to put this all. You have to put this symbols for all Arabic alphabets. After that, we have to read some words also with this sign. Okay, some words also we have to write with this sign. Okay, dirty. Okay, the next one we can read in your textbook, page number 21. I will send it as PDF. We have to read some more words. We have to put these symbols above that letters. Okay, first I am writing the letter, the word. What is this? Ja, ba. First we can put this double fatha. Then I have to add one more alif. Then double fatha. What is it? What is it? Jabalan. All of you read it. Jabalan. 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 Next, look at here. Ja, ba, jabal, jabalin, jabalan, jabalin, jabalun, ja, ba, jabal, jabalun. Okay, jabalan, jabalin, and jabalun. Next one, ra, ra, Ra'sa, ra'san, ra'san. We have to read it. Ra'san, ra'san, ra'sin, ra'san, ra'sin, sorry, ra'sun, ra'san, ra'sin, ra'sun, ra'san, ra'sin, ra'sun. The next one, we learned this word before. Qamar. What is the Arabic word of what is the meaning of Qamar? Moon. Jabal means mountain. Ras means head. Then Qamar means moon. Qamaran, Qamaran. How to write? Qamaran. Only for double fatha we have to add one alif. For some, in some case we cannot put this alif. Example, an or hamza, above hamza or above ta marbuta. Like that words we can't. We don't want to put this alif. Okay. Qamaran, qamarin, qamarin, qamarun. Double fatha, double kasra, double lam. This much only. Today we are learning about this about these words only with tanween. All of you read it now. Jabalan, jabalan. Read it. Jabalan, jabalan. Jabalin, jabalin. Jabalun, jabalun. Ra'san, ra'san. Ra'sin, ra'sin. Ra'sun, ra'sun. Qamaran, qamaran. Qamarin, qamarin. Qamarun, qamarun. Did you understand? Fil Hadiqa we learned about tanween. Today we learned about tanween. We have to write the heading at-tanween. At-tanween. Okay? We have to write at-tanween. This is our heading. Sukun. We don't have sukun here. Doesn't have sukun here. Lomma, double lomma will be there and double kasra will be there. Double fatha will be there. For double fatha we have to add one more alif for most of the letters. But in some cases we cannot put that. We don't want to put this alif. I will show you that example. Ta marbuta or ha or hamza. Okay, can you see this? We can put only double fatha, no need alif. Did you understand? Okay, read it one more time. Jabalan, jabalan. Jabalin, jabalin. Jabalun, jabalun. Ra'san, ra'san. Ra'sin, ra'sin. Ra'sun, ra'sun. Qamaran, qamaran. Qamarin, qamarin. Qamarun, qamarun. Okay children, you have to write all the Arabic alphabets with this symbol, with tanween, and you have to learn to read properly these 6 words also. Jabalan, jabalin, jabal, and identify the difference between that Tanween. Tanween fathatani. Double fatha will be with alif. Okay, most of the letters will be with alif, but some letters will be not with alif. Okay. Today's class is over. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.